come in 2 times.
Perfect, that sounds good. Hey friends, I'm Heather. Thanks for being here today. I have a healthy, delicious recipe that I'm gonna share with you that is perfect for your crazy busy evenings, which is going to be us because kids are gonna be starting school really soon. Their sports are gonna be going to the evening, which means I'm gonna be driving all over the place. And maybe you're in that boat too, so you need a dinner like this one. So stick after the how-to so I can share some of my time-saving tips with you. All right, here is our sheet pan sausage and veggie dinner. So to start out to make our sheet pan sausage and veggie dinner, we are going to begin just by prepping all of our veggies. Here I'm starting out with bell peppers. I want to get them all into bite-sized pieces so that one, they all cook uniformly, and then 2, they're just really easy to eat. We're also going to chop some baby carrots, but of course you could use regular whole carrots. You're welcome to peel them, or if you pop them fresh out of your garden, then you know, just wipe off that dirt and give them a quick little chop, get them into the pan as well. Next up are our potatoes. You can use regular potatoes. I use some Yukon Gold potatoes, but again, any variety is going to work right here, looking for that uniform size. Next, we're gonna move on to our broccoli, and I love to include the stems when I am roasting because it's naturally going to soften up. We're going to use some red onion today. I love the color that it adds to this meal, but yellow onion, white onion are going to both be just as delicious. Or in the end, you could even add on some fresh green onion, which gives it this fresh, delicious flavor that's a little more mild. And then lastly, we're going to chop up our pre-cooked sausage. And I love using pre-cooked sausage because I don't have to worry about getting my hands dirty with raw meat. And again, it makes this dinner come together super, super quickly. Next, we're gonna make our sauce where we're going to add olive oil, coconut aminos, garlic granules, and sea salt together. And after that, you're just gonna drizzle that onto the veggies and the sausage as well. Give it a quick little stir and then bake that in the oven. And while that bakes, we're going to make our sauce, which is super simple. We've got avocado oil mayo, a little bit of mustard, honey, and then lemon juice to give it a little tang and to make it more drizzle-like. When the veggies and the sausage are done, just go ahead and put that on a plate, add a little drizzle, and then dinner is served. All right, so some of my favorite tips for this dinner is to prep your veggies ahead of time. Use whatever sausage that you have on hand. You can use some pork sausage, you can use chicken sausage like I use, or you could even use some like bulk sausage and cook that up and then add that onto the pan. I've got my little chef here, all about those time-saving tips. So if you don't want to use potatoes, use sweet potatoes. You can make it just veggies and sausage and then serve it with some pasta. That's what we're gonna do tonight. And just use what you've got on hand. Use what's in your fridge. It's great to just throw whatever veggies you have on hand on the pan. Make sure that you cut them all around the same size so they all cook around the same time, and it'll come together so quickly. The recipe you can find down linked below if you want the full ingredients, how long it takes to cook, and all that good stuff. You can find that link down below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, if you give it a try, definitely let me know what you thought, how it went for you. Let me know how it saved your day, saved your evening. I know that quick, easy dinners like that are so helpful for me, and I hope that they're helpful for you too. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I've got so much good stuff coming that I can't wait to share with you, including a look into what I am eating and feeding the kiddos and all that good kind of stuff. So be sure to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.